Sunflower oil is ruining your liver. So what should you use instead? Sunflower oil could be one of the most dangerous ingredients in your kitchen. Every time you fry an omelet or potatoes, you're unknowingly loading your liver with toxins. Sunflower oil breaks down at temperatures above 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and can turn into harmful, even carcinogenic compounds. Meanwhile, a normal frying pan can easily reach 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you're consuming and inhaling a substance that strains your liver, triggers inflammation, disrupts bile flow, and increases your risk of cancer. So, what can you use instead? Butter and clarified butter, ghee, are heat-stable and won't break down, making them much safer for your liver. If you don't consume animal fats, coconut oil is an excellent alternative. It remains stable at high temperatures and prevents harmful toxins from forming. Don't put your liver at risk just because of habit. Choosing the right fats helps support your liver, protect your digestive system, and maintain your overall health. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for your whole body. Eating habits that support your gut, aid weight management, and reduce inflammation will protect both your liver and your general health. Even small changes can make a big difference. And remember, if you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps you stay updated with practical health tips.